Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Word. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to check if your font is in here. Just go ahead and open up your Word application. Now go to the fonts section. So I'm going to look for Choco Cookie, as it is one of my favorite fonts. It is of course from Samsung. Now what I'm going to do to download that particular font is by simply going to a web browser and look for the font. For example, Choco Cookie font. Hit enter. And there are a ton of websites right here. Just go ahead and select one and hit on download. Now, once downloaded, all right, as you can see here, it is downloaded on my device. I'm going to right click on the zip file and extract it here. All right, as you can see, it is now extracted. What I'm going to do with this file right here is just click on it, right click, and hit on install. Or install for all users. All right, just go ahead and install for all users. It doesn't matter. And wait for the process to finish. And as you can see, the process is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the Word application again and go back to the font section and look for Choco Cookie. As you can see, it is now added. I'm going to hit on enter and type in. All right. As you can see here, the fonts are now changed. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.